this video, we are going to see how to save, load and restore settings. Under the Maintenance menu, there are options to reset configuration, download and upload. Reset will revert all settings to factory defaults. This is useful if the radar has been relocated to a new place. The Download configuration button will save the settings as a text file to your computer. This is often used to keep a backup. The Upload button can be used to load the text file from a computer. First, however, you must select the file. Clicking the Browse button and selecting the settings, and then click Upload. The settings will now be uploaded. This is a good way to revert to known good settings, as well as propagating settings from one radar to another.